Made it! Woo! And back to the bike I have to pick up because my parents get mad at me. I'm 21 and I still live with my mom and dad, but it's okay because I don't have a job. Alright, I'm gonna bike to the beach. Today's the day. Today is the moment. I'm having engine troubles. Zoom off. They had trouble getting around the... So here's my trusty stash of good luck things. Got my water, my shoes, trusty watch, wallet. Alright, headphones, phone. Let's do this. Halfway there. Kind of over halfway now. Woo! Made it! Woo! Made it! Okay, I'm about less than a mile away from the beach now. Made it up the hill. The big bridge. Woo! Made it! There it is! There she blows! The water! Woo! I am here. Here it is. Made it. Biked all the way here. Woo! Look at this. It's awesome. Look at that. I'm at the beach now. Check this out. Did this. Made it all the way here. All the way. Dropped my shoes. It's been a good day. It's been a good day so far. And there are Mom and Dad here to pick me up. Oh yeah. Free trip home. My legs feel like... The clouds are becoming dark and ominous. And I found some seashells. Really large ones. Someone's getting out their surfboards. I wish I could do that. It's a long board. It's 10, 7, 8 footer. There's my bike over there. Going to the trampoline park.
Grace, make sure you don't crane kick anybody.
Yeah, we signed a liability, so we can't get... I'm so sweaty, it's insane. We're getting Dippin' Dots. I have water. I'm so sweaty, it's insane. We're getting Dippin' Dots. I have water. What flavor did you get, Mom? Chocolate. Chocolate. Dad got banana split.
Yes.
Yummy, yummy.
You know.
A lot of your house already.
No, I haven't.
Yes, she has. Look, everything's gone. And she continues.
I dare you.
You dare me to eat it?
I double dare you.
I'm gonna do it. Grace and I decided to eat your dog. Stompy. Stompy. No, not my snowman. But anyway, we're gonna eat Ashley's dog now. It's really hard and crunchy. It's like, what?
I'm just wiping the shit.
So Ashley, if you're watching this, which I hope you will, we're gonna eat your dog.
I already ate a lot. I'll see you eat and murder the dog.
Eat and murder. Anyway.
Do you care what I take?
Mm-hmm. This is awful. I'm gonna spit this out.
Like what?
It's like awful.
Tell me what I can take. Ew, that is like...